Hi everyone, it's Lee from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Honda Jazz EX. Now of course this is finished in crystal black and you do get full LED headlights, front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as well, of which I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. But coming around to the rear now, as you can see, we've got your 4 rear parking sensors as well. We've then also got your reversing camera just at the top above the registration, just there. Then into the tailgate itself, we have got plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with this level just here. Then walking out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, with it being the darker exterior, you do have the light interior with the cloth grey and the white leather. You've got full electric windows all round, full keyless entry and start. And then coming inside the car, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your CVT gearbox in the middle. We've got 2 front heated seats just in the middle as well with your climate control. Then on top of that, we've got some additional storage on the left. We've got your touchscreen display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. It comes with your various audio sources, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've then also got your Bluetooth hands-free within that screen as well. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, voice assistant and track select. You've got your return button, home button, and the bezel in the middle does control your onboard computer. Then on the right hand side, we've got your speed limiter, cruise control, lane keep assist and distance control with your heated steering wheel. Then we've also got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has also done 13,112 miles. Jumping back outside the car now and showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Jazz, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.